Okay, everyone, this is the preferred master suite ocean front. So this is a little bit of an upgrade from the standard, just preferred regular junior suite room. This actually has two separate bathroom areas. So here's the first bathroom that you come in to, right off of the main entrance area. If you walk in further, there is actually a little bit of a dining space, a living room area with a little TV, some chairs. You can see the beautiful patio outside, which we'll get to in a minute. There's also, like all of the other areas, just a little coffee bar area, some snacks and beer, juice, soda, and water as usual. Then there is going to be a second room, which is the bedroom area, which has a master bed in here with a TV, another set of sliding doors so you can go out to the patio area, another bathroom area which is much bigger. There is a tub here right in the middle, the double sink once again for use, and this has a little bit more of a private shower than the other one that's out in the open. And another toilet area. So like I said before, there's two